It's finally fall here in Louisiana, and it's time to get those cool season bedding plants out in your landscape. The LSU AgCenter has announced its fall Louisiana super plant for 2019, and it's Jolt dianthus. We have here a cherry colored Jolt dianthus and a pink dianthus, and it just so happens to be mixed in with our Amazon dianthus that was selected as a Louisiana super plant in 2010. These are both great as cool season bedding plants. Put them in now, put them in October. They will bloom all through October. And if we don't have too hard of a winter, like most Louisiana winters, this will last through winter into the spring and even carry over into the summertime, May, June, before it peters out. The Jolt series is thought to be more heat tolerant, doesn't have a lot of pests or disease, and does great as a container plant, or will do well in your landscape as a mounding type planting. Just a great addition to your fall landscape. These will do well as border plants, and they're great as cut flowers. These don't require a lot of deadheading, but if you want to promote more flowers, go ahead and pinch back faded flowers. Get you some Jolt dianthus for your cool season bedding plants, and for Getting Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.